Welcome. Shoot through the body, some get absorbed, some get scattered, and some just pass right on through. And the crucial part is that different carries a whole lot of noise. And this slide breaks down those two parts of the message perfectly. On one side, you have the pure signal.
As Dr. Jafar so perfectly puts it, scatter is the enemy of contrast.
Green. Individual particles that arrive at the detector brings us to that and this, the easiest clear image at a much lower dose. And that's a huge win. Every 5 photons. Sharp detail, distractions. Everything we do in this field is governed by one guiding principle, ALARA, as low as reasonably achievable. And that really leads us with a final important question to think about. In this era of that's what makes me from photon to